This video discusses how to do the CState Resources and Services Journal assignment. So week 2 is a big proponent of using your college resources. And so your assignment is going to be to explore the Cincinnati State website and look at all of our resources that we offer that you pay for and see which ones might be the best help for you as an online student or just in general. It doesn't have to be as an online student because eventually we might be back in the classroom sometime. So this is predicated upon you looking in this folder and perusing the website or the links here for different resources. So there are resources in each one of these folders. Your job is to find one. And so you can do that a couple different ways. One, you can simply go right here, and this is the student resource guide. Here's an actual resource guide, a PDF file that you can look at if you want. You can click on the hyperlinks through here. Some of you should check out the honors program. That's a great resource while I'm looking at it. So again, all of these are resources. You can click on them, you can get right to them. So if you would rather look at through the PDF version, cool. If not, that's fine. You can just scroll down until you find something that stands out to you. I would like it very much if you didn't hurry through this and you actually found something that matters to you because, like I said, you pay for these resources and it's really important that you use them for your success. And so, I'm going to do just a real quick demonstration of what I think that your assignment should look and sound like. So I picked the Career Center as my resource. And so I'm just going to go through this and I'm going to read all the things that it has to offer, right? Here are the things that they provide assistance for. They help you choose a career. They help with planning, career planning resources. And so you would want to go through each one of these hyperlinks. Talks about cooperative education and other forms of experiential education, which most, if not all of you, will do at some point before you leave Cincinnati State. Talks about personal and career counseling, so on and so forth. And so anything that's got a hyperlink on, you should look at. So once you become familiar with a resource here, your job is to write a journal article about it. So you're going to research the resource or service that you believe that can help you be successful, or one that you just find interesting, and you're gathering 3 pieces of important information to reflect upon for this service. And so if you go back here real quick, choosing a career is probably a pretty big thing. Career planning is probably a pretty big thing. And so bullet points are fair game as far as things that stick out to you. But again, the point is find 3 pieces of information that stick out to you that you are going to reflect upon about why they're important. In the subject line, make sure that you put the name of your resource and explain why you chose the resource. And again, share those 3 important pieces of information. So when you click on that, you're ready. Again, if you need to look at the link, here it is again. I'm going to create my journal entry. I'm going to put in the Career Center because that's what I'm supposed to do. So obviously you'd want to go in a little bit more depth. Here's what I found interesting. And you can bullet point this part if you want. It really doesn't matter to me. As a matter of fact, you should for format reasons. So one of the things I found interesting was career planning. They will actually help you find a career and help you pursue it. So your job will be to finish the rest of it. 3 pieces there, and so on and so forth. And then when you're done, of course, hit post entry, and there you go. Okay, so that is the CState Resources and Services assignment. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.